Hello guys, today I'm recording a video, and not just a video, a spring trap video. So I'll see right here. Now let's have a little look what it looks on the inside. Oh, it looks weird because you can't see much probably. Probably couldn't see much in there, but so today we're just in place before the morning. Because as you can see right now, it's near school and I have to do this quick. And also I've got a new game and I've got a game case thing. I'm not opening it yet. I may at some point. Hopefully this thing takes some batteries that it needs to take. And also, you can see here, let's grab it carefully. It may be this now. I see like that. I might not keep it myself, or maybe it might be able to. I don't know. Still figuring out what to do with that. Right here is my railway track, which is useless because the train has been off the track. You can see some new train, some new steam engine. You can see you've got some new things here in town. Got a pizzeria over there now. Got that over there. Got that place over there. Got a school in the background. You might have seen that. So basically I'm just giving you an overview of the station. That's new. Let's see another thing new. Oh, that's bits new. And of course the Pizza Hut's new. So you can see in the background right there. So if I just welcome back to my house. Today I've got straight for you. Yes, there. For now. Ooh la la la, yes. Along with this. Dum 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 boom. Guys, today's what I want to do is first champion today. I want to turn that completely back to reach back. I don't know what to do. Oh yeah, Johnny Smith chicken. Johnny. This little. Let's just say this puppet was the whole reason. This puppet put Sam in, put the souls into suits. Stupid puppet. Until I die, until one day I have a purpose to die. Hey guys, we're back. Now, they haven't introduced them guys. This, and this. Going up against the Aventador G sec. He's going up against the Aventador G to see if the Aventador G is faster or not. So, number one. These.
And you know,
3, 2, 1. That was so close. The 3, 2, 1. That one.
and we sort of practiced that.
And then I got 2 on that one last time. That one went to check. Sorry, but you're losing.
But me, careful. Oh, we better check just to make sure because Donna was talking about contacting you. And I thought,
3, 2, 1. Cool guys, look, we've got a pumpkin over here. Pumpkin. We should put this in really. No, let's put it in. My bedroom, yeah.
one.
Oh, yeah, get rid of that one.
You won't be able to carve it though.
I want to go with it.
Which one do you want? What you want?
No. This one, yeah. Can I get two?
No.
No. It is almost Halloween, guys. Happy Halloween. It's not Halloween yet. It's in 1, maybe 10, or 12 days to Halloween, maybe. Yeah, it's the 12th day till Christmas, and let's change that. 12 days till Halloween. Because actually, I'm saying 9. Kids. Kids. Kids.
I can get my own bag.
Lucy.
Yeah, Lucy, I've only spent £1.99. You're not getting them, Alfie. You're not getting them stupid things. There's no point. They're cheaper. Right, you don't get some of it. I'll get cheap. No, we'll get
Weird silence. Where? Okay. Okay. No. Not really.
What did you get?
Weird silence.
What have you got?
Look! Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Some for Dad as well. That do.
Where is the what's it? The donuts around here.
Back at the shop.
Oh. I haven't seen him.
Tell number 4, please.
That was a bit loud. My God. Don't go brum brum brum. No, I'm just. I don't even know what I'm doing, guys. It's just so loud. Can you get that thing out of the way? So here, right there, so you can see this bit of the railway that comes out of the station. So you've got the station in there, the trains come out of there, they go around back to the same station, but we pretend it's not the same station. So they come out of that station and they go around. So this bit here is where the progress is making. So I put little characters making progress. So if you're wondering where this is almost underneath that church, but it's underneath the school. So this is almost directly under the school, but it's under the shop house. So these people, how they get here is we made these little brick bits here, but that's not what they've got. But they come down here and they go through there, a little gap there, and they walk down past the railway line, and they manage to get right here, and that's where they work. But basically, the station right now. Let me get the train out of the way. Here is the train. So you've got the underground carriage and diesel, but one bad thing is this is the other carriage, but it was a mess up train before I even were planning it, and I forgot all about it, and it just derails. This was derailing, but now the wheels aren't derailing, so that's a good thing. But right now in the station, there's no people, but there was someone in this. I guess there's not anymore. But this is the station. So you've got that looks a bit wobbly. There we go, that's a bit better. So that's the sign, that's railways, you know, at the rate it goes. So you've got the underground sign, you've got the tracks that go along. So then it goes along into down there and down there. But you're wondering how they get down there? It's sitting underneath. Camera, focus. The camera won't focus, guys. Focus. There we go. Yeah. So who's gonna go in this spaceship, huh? Bro, who's gonna go in the spaceship? Because we got some pretty heavy duty fights going on. We need to get some push ASAP. Ow. Well, I ain't going in this. I think we have some problems with the fight right now. I think something's laughing. I'm not sure, but okay. Orange dude, get in the plane immediately before fights go too far and people start laughing. I'm trying to get in, my head's too fat. Oh, really? Do you know what I'm doing? My head's way too fat. Golden, lay down. I'm in. Closing the hatch. The hatch ain't closing. Yeah, it's stiff, remember? Okay, I'm gonna check the atmosphere. I think it's good. Let's check down at the base. Yeah, go take a look for us. You're a good soldier.
And I have plenty of plans to break up the
Okay, looking down, there's some fighting scenes going on. Oh, no. No, don't you do this to me. No! Joy, no! Oh. I need some help here. I can't open the hatch and I'm on the ground. I'm good at police jumper. I see the plane, Hover. No, don't jump on my plane. Oh, God, you jumped on my plane. Okay. Pull him down, quick. Oh, no, one. Ooh.
This train is now approaching Fame.
Calling at Need, Leighton City, Leighton Stepwood Road.